you know, all of it. And this isn't a motivational speech. This isn't me trying to get you amped up or hyped up for the big game to take on our crosstown rivals, Darkness. Sounds like Dartmouth. That's a college. You know, rah rah sis boom ba. It's not that. It's just, hey man, there's a nature here that we're not fucking tapping into because all this concrete and steel and 5G and celebrities and Diddy parties and shit got us all fucking off our pivot. Right? So that's what I had to say.